Welcome to Rasayan. Today's rearrangement is Neber rearrangement. In Neber, we will discuss its mechanism, stereochemistry, and few examples. Neber rearrangement is an important reaction for the preparation of alpha aminoketone by ketoxim using base. Base may be alloxide or pyridine. Ketoxim react with base, give alpha aminoketone after hydrolysis. It is ketonic group and alpha position. Having amino group, it is alpha aminoketone. Reaction start with the base. Base abstract the proton. So the ketoaxim having at least one alpha hydrogen for Neber rearrangement. Now see the mechanism of Neber rearrangement. First, see the way of mechanism. Ketoaxim starting reactant react with base. Base abstract the proton from alpha position, form the carbanion. Electron on the nitrogen moves towards the most electronegative atom, that is nitrogen. Nitrogen leave the group as a leaving group and form the three-membered ring intermediate called azarine. Azarine on hydrolysis gives alpha aminoketone. Ketoaxim is a starting reactant. We get the ketoaxim by the reaction of oxim with toluene sulfonyl chloride. See the reaction. Ketone react with hydroxylamine in acidic medium, eliminate one molecule of water, form oxim. Oxim react with para-toluene sulfonyl chloride, toluene, para position, sulfonyl chloride, eliminate one molecule of water, give ketoaxim. This is TS, is also known as OTS or tosyl group. Mechanism of Neber rearrangement. Ketoaxim starting reactant react with base. Base abstract the proton, most acidic hydrogen, form the carbanion. Now the first step is deprotonation. Carbanion negative carbon moves through the nitrogen, most electronegative atom, more electronegative atom, depart the OTS group here as a leaving group and form a three-member ring azarine. Now the second step is cyclization or formation of azarine. Azarine, nitrogen having lone pair of electron, on hydrolysis, acidic hydrolysis, form a bond with H. Due to the formation of bond with H, the bond between carbon and nitrogen move towards the nitrogen and carbon become electropositive. Hydroxyl group attached to the carbon. After eliminating the H, this goes to the isomerization and form the alpha amino ketone. Now the first step is abstraction of proton or deprotonation. Second step is cyclization, formation of azarine ring, and the third step is hydrolysis. After three steps, ketoxim converted into alpha amino ketone. It is suggested that the second is it is suggested that the azarine formed via nitrine. Intermediate. Formation of azarine might proceed by stepwise loss of toluene sulfonate group to form nitrine intermediate, which is then converted into azarine. Carbon ion move form the bond between carbon-carbon and OTS leave as a leaving group. This single bond nitrogen is nitrine intermediate. This nitrine intermediate undergoes cyclization form azarine via this one pair shifted to this. Stereochemistry of Neber rearrangement. These are the stereomers. One of them is anti, another is syn. When both the stereomer react with base and after hydrolysis gives the same product, it means that no effect of stereochemistry on Neber rearrangement. The similar reaction given by NN dichloroamine. NN dichloroamine react with base. Base abstract the most acidic hydrogen, which one is this H, form a carbon ion. The negative charge moved between carbon to nitrogen and Cl leave as a leaving group. Now the reaction is same as in ketoxim. Second molecule of base react with hydrogen, alpha hydrogen, and this negative charge move to the nitrogen to form a three-member ring after eliminating the Cl. Azarine on hydrolysis form the alpha amino ketone.